Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome, and today we're stepping into a world where extreme performance meets elite luxury in a way few vehicles have ever achieved. This is the 2026 Motorhome by Brabus, a creation so bold and refined that it feels less like an RV and more like a moving penthouse designed for the most demanding travelers. The Brabus Motorhome 2026 is not just transportation, it's a statement of power, exclusivity, and uncompromising comfort. From the outside, the motorhome immediately commands attention. The exterior design is aggressive yet elegant, finished in deep gloss paint options that highlight its sculpted body lines. The front fascia features a custom Brabus grille, large air intakes, and sharp LED lighting that gives the vehicle a futuristic and confident expression. Every angle is designed to project strength and prestige. Carbon fiber accents are integrated throughout the body, adding both visual drama and lightweight performance benefits. Along the sides, the motorhome's proportions are long and muscular. Massive forged alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly, paired with performance tires that enhance both stability and visual impact. The side panels are smooth and aerodynamic, with flush storage compartments that maintain a clean, uninterrupted design. Dark panoramic windows stretch across the living areas, offering privacy while allowing expansive views from the inside. Subtle LED accent lighting traces the vehicle's outline at night, creating a dramatic presence wherever it's parked. The rear design is just as striking. Slim horizontal taillights emphasize width, while aerodynamic detailing improves airflow and high-speed stability. Even functional elements like service panels and access points are discreetly integrated, preserving the motorhome's premium aesthetic. This is a vehicle designed to look extraordinary from every angle. Step inside and the atmosphere transforms into something truly spectacular. The interior feels like a private luxury lounge crafted with obsessive attention to detail. Premium leather, hand-stitched and perfectly fitted, covers seating and wall panels. Carbon fiber trim, brushed aluminum surfaces, and soft ambient lighting create a modern yet warm environment. The cabin is exceptionally quiet, insulated from road noise to create a calm and relaxing space. The main living area is built for ultimate comfort. Large reclining seats feature heating, ventilation, and massage functions, allowing passengers to relax completely during long journeys. The layout is open and spacious, encouraging movement without sacrificing intimacy. A high-definition display rises smoothly from custom cabinetry, paired with a premium surround sound system that delivers immersive audio. Whether you're watching films or listening to music, the experience feels cinematic. The dining and workspace blends elegance with practicality. A handcrafted table extends between the seats, perfect for meals, meetings, or remote work. Integrated wireless charging pads and hidden power outlets keep devices powered without clutter. Adjustable ambient lighting allows you to tailor the mood, from bright productivity to soft evening relaxation. The kitchen is a showcase of luxury engineering. High-end appliances are seamlessly built into sleek cabinetry, including an induction cooktop, compact oven, premium refrigerator, and integrated espresso machine. Countertops are finished in durable luxury materials that resist wear while maintaining a refined appearance. Storage is intelligently concealed, ensuring everything has its place without disrupting the clean design. The sleeping area continues the theme of indulgence. The main bed is spacious and designed with a high-quality mattress that provides genuine rest. Surrounding cabinetry offers generous storage for clothing and personal items. Soft lighting and acoustic insulation create a peaceful retreat, while blackout window systems guarantee privacy and uninterrupted sleep. The bathroom rivals that of a luxury hotel suite. A walk-in rain shower, elegant sink, and premium fixtures elevate the experience. Heated flooring adds comfort, and advanced ventilation keeps the space fresh. Every surface is chosen for durability and beauty, blending practicality with spa-like refinement. Performance is where the Brabus Motorhome truly surprises. Beneath its luxurious exterior lies a heavily upgraded high-performance powertrain that delivers impressive horsepower and torque. Acceleration is smooth yet powerful, making highway merging and overtaking effortless. Despite its size, the motorhome feels responsive and controlled. The custom-tuned suspension system absorbs road imperfections with ease, creating a ride that is both stable and exceptionally comfortable. Advanced braking systems provide confident stopping power, while intelligent driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping support, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras enhance safety and reduce driver fatigue. The cockpit features a digital interface that presents navigation and vehicle data clearly and intuitively. Connectivity is strong and reliable, making it easy to work or stay in touch while traveling. When it comes to pricing, exclusivity defines the Brabus Motorhome 2026. Starting prices are estimated around $1.2 million, with highly customized versions easily exceeding $2 million. Buyers can personalize nearly every aspect, from interior materials to layout and advanced technology, ensuring each motorhome is unique. The Brabus Motorhome 2026 represents the pinnacle of luxury travel. It combines bold design, elite craftsmanship, and high-performance engineering into a vehicle that redefines what a motorhome can be. It's built for those who demand the extraordinary and refuse to compromise on comfort or style. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.